Right, look at this, Colin. We have a crack on the roof. So we did our solar, so we have extra ones. I'll replace it to this one right here. It's old, but you know, it is what it is. Okay, oh shoot, look at that. Hopefully it's the right one. Let's see here. Come on, baby. Oh, this is a lot of work. See that, Colin? There's a lot of adhesive on it. Okay. Move that thing. I'm gonna keep this. Hopefully it stays stable. We have some nails. Put it away there. Alright, so we got that. This is kind of similar to it. I'm gonna slide it in. See how that works. Come on. Hopefully it will. See, there's a wood in there, but to do that is, come on, baby. Oh, I put a force on it. I got it inside because there's a wood on the way, so I got it in. Now I have to hold on for a second here. There you go. This one. I have to pry this open, but I have to put it back. Voila. See? There's a little bit gap in there, but I have to use adhesive sealant at the same time. Peace out, yo. This is how you do homework. Later.